Right. So right now we are working on 2006 Suzuki Verona, and we have located the EGR valve right here. It's a 5-wire system, and then we will show you the schematic here.
All right, so here's the schematics for our EGR valve. It is a linear solenoid type valve with a linear potentiometer for the controlled. It is controlled by the ECM, so these are the wires going to it. We got green, brown, brown, green, white, and green, brown again.
And pink as well on the top.
Yep, so, okay. Gray, black, it is going to be a ground. Pink, black is going to be hot at all times or power. Green, white is the signal wire. Black is going to be ground, and then gray black is also going to be a signal wire going to the right side of the PCV. All right, so we were trying to read PIDs on the Suzuki Verona. Couldn't get the car to start, so started diagnosis. We checked the crank position, it's down there, and we also have the cam position hooked up right now. We got readings off of both of those off the picoscope, so we thought it might have something to do with the fuel pump relay, but the relay's actuating, and now we have reason to suspect that the PCM isn't grounding part of the ECM fuse and the fuel pump fuse. So don't really know what to do at this point. Kind of stuck. All right, so we tested for continuity between the PCM and the 85 terminal on our fuel pump relay, and we've determined that it is not connected. There's nothing in between there. Don't know why that is, but it's not working. All right, well, we got it started. There's a switch down here, and that cuts power to the fuel pump relay. So flip the switch and it started up. All right, I'm here by myself today. We're working on this 2011 Buick LaCrene. Say, Ian has already pulled the PCV valve from it. It is a fixed orifice type valve. Give a little shake test. You can see it moves freely around in there. Doesn't say if it's bad, but it's good. I forgot to mention that the crankcase filter is in there, and as you can see, it looks a little gunky, but you know, this is a used car. It's old. It's gonna have a little bit of debris. All right, Ian's gonna start it up. We're gonna see if there's any air coming out of here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, Ian's gonna start up the car again. We got the PCV valve open and exposed. Hopefully it doesn't just launch out of here like a little rocket.
Different kinds of tests they want us to run. As you can see, pretty much for any of them, they're just telling us to inspect for either a restricted hose, a kinked hose, a hose with a leak, those kinds of things. Put a piece of paper on there to show for vacuum or pressure.
I'd say there's pressure. And being sucked down in there.
Yeah, so you can see we don't have excessive pressure, or we don't have excessive vacuum. Either way, the paper would react more heavily to it.
Oh shit.